SEO Revolution. Video number 13. Easy and effective SEO tips for small businesses. As a small business owner or employee, you are probably hard-pressed for time and resources. Fortunately, there are hacks that you can use to bypass the time-consuming stages in implementing SEO strategy. Number 1. Use competition to cover your keyword research. Keyword research is not only necessary for SEO, but also PPC and content marketing. One of the easiest ways to identify keywords is by monitoring your competition. Number 2. Pre-plan your blog content strategy. Using your targeted keywords, you can create a content plan for each month, quarter, or year. Many successful publications choose themes for each month, cycling through a defined set of themes. Number 3. Set up keywords on a social content curator. You can't post only the content that you create. Instead, you can plug the keywords that you found during step 1 into a social media management tool like DrumUp that also provides keywords based on content suggestions. Number 4. Always fill in the meta title, description, and keywords. If your blog is WordPress based, you simply need to install the meta description and tags plugin and fill in the details each time you publish a post. Number 5. Create a blogger outreach strategy. To improve your search rankings, you need external websites to link back to you. One way to facilitate this is by creating in-depth, useful resources that top bloggers and influencers in your niche would want to link to. SEO is one of the most effective ways to drive prospects to your website and convert them, but it requires some work. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.